everyone, welcome back. I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Please subscribe to the channel where we're always giving great videos, interesting topics on what's the latest in dentistry. Today we are going to show a beautiful veneer case. It's just 4 veneers. You don't always have to do a full mouth of veneers. Sometimes you can just do 4 and it can totally transform your smile. I'm introducing Ayana. Ayana is my lovely assistant.
Hey.
I couldn't work without her. So a lot of times you guys only see me, but it takes a team here. And then of course I've got La Destiny behind the camera, and she's actually taking the videos. So let's get started. We got a beautiful patient here, love her eyebrows, but we got to focus on teeth. So these are minimal prep. We did 4 veneers, and these are minimal prep. You see, we're still in enamel and we don't take that much tooth structure off, but we did shorten them a little so when the veneer is placed on, it's not bulky. And I've seen the results. She's going to be so excited. They're gorgeous. So we're going to go ahead and place them in and show you the procedure. So we place etchant, and what this is going to do is it's going to prepare the enamel for the material. And then we'll rinse this off. And you can see a frosty appearance on the tooth, so you know that etchant has worked. Now we place the bonding agent on, and then this is the last step that we place over the tooth to prepare the tooth for the veneers. We also go over the edge. And I will blow dry this, and then Ayana, my lovely assistant, will light cure each tooth. You see how it's shiny? I love that tool that we use, and then we just place it in position, and then I use a little bit of a bonding agent on a sponge right here, and I will remove the excess. Look how beautiful, 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 beautiful. You're wondering, well, those aren't that white. Remember, we are matching. We're going to go a little lighter, but we're matching to her existing teeth, and so we decided, and also based on the cement we use, we'll change the color. So again, I use that little tool, and then I will actually place it on with my fingers to get everything in position, and then I'll go in with my little sponge and remove the excess. Go ahead and place the right lateral, and then all we have left is the left lateral. So the assistant places a cement, and I love this little tool right here. And I will just place this on, and I will put it into position, and then I'll clean it up. Place the last one in, and you can see these are stunning. I love these. And again, the tool we place over, and bingo. And we have to place these in position with our fingers. If you wonder what the white, they're cotton rolls we keep dry. Sometimes we have a cheek retractor we use, but in her case, it was interfering, so I decided just to use the cotton rolls, because you want to have a dry field. So each tooth is light cured to set the material, and then we go in and we clean the cement off. So here are the 4 seated. We haven't cleaned all the cement off, but woo, they look so good. Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
So these are the beautiful after results. We did 4, and you can see, turn toward me, how they match perfectly, and they match her lower. So in her case, we went with a color that might just a slight lighter, but that actually blended in. Bite down and smile. Let's pull back. Show this pretty lady, turn to the camera and smile. They look great. What's the first thing you're gonna do? Go to Disneyland?
No.
All right, so I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Another satisfied customer, yes?
Yes.
They look great. 4 veneers. You don't have to have a whole mouthful. You can get a really great result with just a few. So come see us. Thank you.